Welcome to Da Nang. Welcome to the Amsterdam area. We're gonna take a stroll today on the beach and see how it is now, right before another storm is coming. Another storm is coming, I think. I hope it's just gonna dissolve because it's pretty cool air right now. I'm also trying to do a test right now with this camera and my microphone. I used for the last few walks, the last 10 walks or something, the brand new DJI Action 6 camera, and I'm not happy with it. It's, first of all, it does not give me anything that Action 5 does not. And I feel somehow the image is worse. Then I also used, now it's getting a little bit of a tech talk here, the DJI Mic 3, so the latest and best DJI mic. But I feel like the DJI Mic Mini is the same or even better. And I heard so many, it just sounded so weird. So now I'm gonna try out using my old camera and my old microphone. And what is this? New Sun apartment for rent. Interesting, guys. It's done. And they have balconies over there. I'm wondering how the layout is. There's an elevator there. And I'm wondering what will this be? An office? I'm not sure, guys. Yeah, let me know how the sound is today. I think it should be like before. It's so weird. You buy something brand new and then it's not as good as it was before. It almost feels like DJI is on a, it hits a plateau right now and no more innovation. The image, if you want to have the best image, it's still Pocket 3, guys. Pocket 3, DJI Pocket 3 is still superior with everything. Image-wise, low lights, everything. DJI Action 6, nah, not so good. I'm not sure if there's anything that the DJI Action 6 is better than the 5. Super weird. They have a weird, what is it called? 1x1 image, so you can do shorts out of your long form content. But also, it's not really the good thing. It's just, I don't know. I'm very disappointed. I really hope they will fix it with any kind of update, software update. Because at the moment, like, I don't like the image. I don't like the image. I like this one here more. Also, this one is smaller than the Action 6. The Action 6 looks like a too big camera in this frame. Just so I understand how they cannot do anything with the camera. They cannot do it better, you know? It's crazy. But I definitely gonna take the Pocket 3 for a spin as well, and then we can actually have a comparison between those cameras. But yeah. This walk is mainly to see if I can fix my audio issues here. And we're gonna check out the ocean. It's super windy, guys, and I will show you why I'm saying there's a storm somehow in the East Sea. Check this out. Hold on. Look at this. I really hope it will not hit again. You see this? So it seems like it's on the way to Nha Trang again. But it could also go to the north to us. I really hope it will not be that case. But even if the storm dissolves because of the cold air, it could still mean that while it is dissolving, a lot of rain will occur again, which is exactly what we don't need at the moment in Vietnam. Because I think you all saw the images of your local news about Vietnam and the flooding. It's terrible. Here, I have to say again, like, if you come to Da Nang for vacation, you might have a bad time because of non-stop rain or something. but you will definitely not have any issues with flooding here in this area here where we walk right now. So the only problem is, look at the sea. It's so rough, it's absolutely insane. It's absolutely insane. You cannot go in there. I don't even think you can surf there. But yeah, it's very windy. And it feels a little bit like the storm is coming. It's calm, it's almost blue sky. We have the sun out as well. See this? The sun is out. It's a little bit cloudy, but it's fantastic weather, to be honest. But I don't think it will last long. I think we will have a storm coming in. Check out this sea, guys. Whew. It's very close now. It's very strong. Looks strong and brownish. But people still relaxing here. I could imagine it's perfectly nice now to have a nap here. Have a nap with the sound. Maybe wear a jacket. Yeah. This is how it looks right now, guys. You can walk a little bit. There's nothing spilled over here. It's clean. That's pretty good. The water is coming very close, guys. Super windy. Oh. But also, you can walk now very good here. It's not that soft, so that's good. He's almost like Marcus. Lurking around. Yeah. I'm not sure if they can actually continue building here with this wind. And since I don't know when the storm will hit Da Nang. I'm not sure, guys. I hope not at all. Look at this little dog. Is he trying to poop? Yes. He pooped. Look at this little fluff ball. It's the ice delivery man. He's delivering ice cubes. I think they're also renovating here. I'm not sure for what these wooden piece of wood is. I don't know. It's still busy. People still enjoy. Oh my God! Now it's very windy. This is the worst time you can walk by a construction site. Be careful, guys. It's a sudden wind which just blows out something and flies around, you know? You gotta be very careful. Wow, look at this. The water came up until this again. And look what they brought here. Wow. You can see here, it's very strong wind, guys. Very strong wind. Oh my God. Oh! Oh my God. Now I feel like a tornado hunter. It's hard for me to walk. And keep in mind, I weigh a lot of kilograms. I'm a very heavy guy. I could imagine some lighter people could fly away. But also, look at all the coconuts, man. It's not smart to walk around here, I think. Look at those coconuts shaking themselves in the wind. Some pieces already dropped down. You see this coconut? There's a coconut dropped down. 2 coconuts actually. 2 coconuts dropped down from this here. Very dangerous, guys. Don't walk or lay under these trees at the moment. Oh my god. I'm risking my life here. Guys, you gotta hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates of Weatherman Semi. Social Semi's weather forecast. It looks sad. Only one guy playing volleyball. Maybe someone has to work with him. Oh boy. I don't think it will rain though. It doesn't look like, but who knows? The clouds are moving quick. You know? Driving on the sidewalk here is illegal. I think it's 6 million if I'm not wrong. Wow. The ocean is super close here right now. I really hope this typhoon or whatever this is will not hit again. No typhoon did hit here Da Nang yet. Only the rain came. And since it's pretty cool right now, like 23, 25 degrees Celsius, it's probably not gonna happen. Because I think they need hot air to get stronger. Cold air will loosen it up. Some fishermen are there. Yeah. That's how the My Khe Beach looks like right now. It's still great. If you like walking around like I do, this is actually a nice weather. Just be very careful with the construction sites, walking by these things. Because of the wind, it just comes like crazy fast and leaves again. The waves are very high at the moment. I don't see any surfers out. I see one guy in there trying to swim a little bit. But yeah, this is not surfable at all. Look at how close the water came here too. It's very unusual, guys. Check this out. But the temperature-wise and not raining, it's kind of nice. It's nice. If it does not rain, rainy season is good. But yeah, there's no guarantee for that. And you cannot also say like, okay, last year it was like that, this year is gonna be like that, the same. Every year is a new year. You only know, okay, December it will rain and it will be colder, and in June it's gonna be ultra hot. Oh my god, now I get sand in my face. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out this video here and see you in the next one.